Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak on iOS 16.5, no computer needed. So let me just show you guys that yes, I am currently updated to the iOS 16.5. So as you can see guys, right here, I am on iOS 16.5. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, so let's get right into the tutorial. This is very simple guys, you just have to pay attention and you will have your device jailbroken. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and go over to this site iosjailbreak.pro. So let me just type it in right here. That would be iosjailbreak.pro. So once you're on this site guys, what you need to do is go ahead and select your device and your version. So basically if you pick the wrong version, it will not allow you to jailbreak. So obviously guys, make sure you pick the correct version. So I'm using the newest version, which is iOS 16.5. I'm going to go ahead and press start jailbreak. And now my device should be jailbroken. So you will have to confirm that you want to jailbreak. So just go ahead and do that. And now we're just going to wait for this to go ahead and load. Now this is actually a pretty fast process most of the time. So you guys shouldn't be waiting that long. So let's just give it a minute to go ahead and finish here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to let it load. Once this is done, we should get an iPhone update style progress bar. So let's just wait for that to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second. All right. This is so insane, guys. I just can't even believe it actually works. All right. So the bar's at the end now. So our device should be jailbroken. So let's see if it worked, guys. So I'm just going to wait for this to load right here. All right. And what's going on? All right. It's loading. And we'll just give it a second. So as you can see guys, it says right here, download, install, and open any app to get iOS jailbreak. So what we need to do is download some of these apps and complete the instructions. They're totally free and they're from the official App Store. So this app is a search and install to earn, which means I actually have to search something up. So what I need to do is type in invoice simple and then find invoice maker and download it, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So it's going to take me over to the App Store. So let's just give it a second. And I'm just going to go ahead and download this app. So let me just download it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in invoice simple. And I'm just going to go ahead and download the app. So where is it? There, that one right there. So I'm just going to download this. And while it's downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure, guys, that you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure that this process works. So let me just go ahead and wait for this one to start downloading here. As you guys can see, I might wing it with just one app for today, but let's just give it a download right here. And I'm just going to open it up and do some basic interactions, you know, touching around, pressing the buttons, stuff like that, and we should be all good to go. So I'm pretty much done with this. So let's go ahead and see if our device becomes jailbroken, guys. I don't know if it's going to reboot. I don't know if Cydia is just going to straight up download. Let's see what happens. So, oh my gosh, what is that? Cydia downloaded, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. This is super insane, and I can't even believe it actually works. So let me just open it up right here. And as you can see, guys, this is the fully working Cydia. So it is fully working, guys, in 2023. So be sure to go ahead and give us a try and get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works. Look at this. I got all the tweaks, all the themes, everything like that. I mean, this is super cool. So if this tutorial worked for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you later. Peace out.